yeah, you're definitely not subtle about it, baby. Like, yeah, we're at TA. Guy had either his oil pressure switch is bad or he has a bad wiring in his oil pressure switch. He has a 2014 Freightliner Cascadia. We're at TA. They put one in for some reason. They took his thermostat housing and all of that off too. So they actually charged this man for all this antifreeze, the thermostat housing, and everything. And they couldn't get it working. They don't know what to do. They threw their hands up like, well, sorry, buddy. We can't get your truck to stay running. We don't know what to do. And like they literally told this man this, and he said, well, I got a guy that can come. He knows what he's doing. He knows what he's doing because I worked with this guy before, and he was like, he knows what he's doing. Can I just bring him here? Well, now here I am at TA. The truck's stuck in their bay. I'm about to go get this truck started up, probably in under 10, 15 minutes, and get up out of here.
It's funny because remember you applied here.
I mean, it's funny because before I got my own business, I actually applied to work here. So I actually talked to that manager a second ago, and he's just asking me to get the truck out of his bag. So I mean, it's kind of funny, man. So yeah, it's awesome.
Sorry, windows dirty, y'all. That's the truck inside. We're going to ride around and see what he's doing.